How to use Smart Diagnosis on the LG ThinQ app. If you have LG electronic products, use Smart Diagnosis on the ThinQ app. By using Smart Diagnosis, you can check the current state of your product. If the diagnosis shows a problem with the product, assistance will be provided to resolve the problem. Things to check before using Smart Diagnosis. Before using Smart Diagnosis, make sure it has the Smart Diagnosis logo, that the wireless router is powered on, and that the ThinQ app is installed on your mobile device. Let's find out how to use the Smart Diagnosis feature. Open the ThinQ app on your mobile device. Enter Menu at the bottom of the ThinQ app home screen. Tap Smart Diagnosis and select the product to be assessed. Smart Diagnosis will then begin, and you can check the result of the diagnosis on the screen. For products or models without the Smart Diagnosis logo, proceed with Smart Diagnosis following the instructions on the screen. If there is anything wrong with it, instructions will be provided to help you solve the problem on your own. For more information on diagnosis results or problem resolution, visit the LG official webpage or contact customer support.